Good evening, students. So the continuity from the lesson current electricity. So we are going to see the next level problem for our JEE advanced vision. So this is a problem here. So how to solve this simply without using Kirchhoff's loop rule and other things. So we already informed that this is imaginary, consider it as an imaginary line. Bisect the line equally at the center. So at the center, if you bisect this point, this line will, all the points lying on the line will have same potential. That idea we have considered. So this point, we consider this point as C, this point as D for our convenience. So it will have same potential. So I can redraw the diagram like this. And I can connect these resistors without connecting because this is at the center, okay? So without connecting, because this point, all the points are having same potential, so no current will flow through this, between these 2 points, so I can split it, so I can draw this. Now the resistance across AB, so these two will be 2R. So this is 2R, so 2R and R are parallel, so it will be 2R by 3, that is 1 by R plus 1 by 2R. I can write, so it will be 2R by 3. So in the top 2R by 3, that will be in series with this 2, so that will be 2R. So 2R plus 2R by 3, which is connected to 2R, because these two are R plus R, 2R. So 2R by 3, this parallel combination, this is R plus R. So all are having identical resistors. Because we are using the problem only identical resistors. In the examination, they are giving some values. With the help of the values, you can solve it. So on solving this, 2R plus 2R by 3. So it will be 3, 6, 7, 8, 8R by 3 in the top. So in the top we have 8R by 3. In the bottom we have 2R. So finally the answer will be 8R by 3 plus 2R. So I'm taking this. So 8 plus, it will be coming around 2R. I think it is right. 2R by 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 8R by 3. So the final answer will be, so how you can write this, you see, 8R by 3, sorry, it is parallel. We have added in series 3 by 8R plus 1 by 2R. So it will be 4 times, so it will be 7 by 8R. So the resistance across A and B, yes, 8R by 7. So this is the final answer. So in the same manner, we are going to see the next problem, the other problem here. So resistance across AB is 8R divided by 7. Now we are going to consider the pyramid. All the sides of the pyramid is having, the base is having 4 sides, and the top connecting we have 3 sides. Let us like this. So we have a pyramid like this. Slightly minimize this. Okay. So top 4 lines are connecting 4 sides. I consider this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and this is O. And I want to find the resistance across point A and O. I want to find the resistance across A and O. So all the resistors, all the sides are having equal resistance. You can consider it as R, small r or capital, anything it may be. And I can divide the 3 parts, A to D, A to B, A to O. So A to O is different because a single line, but A to B, B to C, C to O. Similarly, A to B, B to O. Similarly, this side also we are having the symmetry, A to D, D to O, D to C, C to O, or A to D, D to O. So here current will be equally divided in these 2 sides. So points D and B will have same potential. VD is equal to VB. So I can draw A. It is connected to B comma D. Okay. Then A is connected to O, point O. It's right. Okay. Directly A is connected to point O. Similarly, D to O, B to O. Okay. That is in series. Sorry, parallel. So B is connected to O, D is, both are having same potential connected to common point O. Then from B to C it is traveling, okay. C is also having same potential, that is B and D are same potential, commonly connected to C. So it will be So this point is C. From C we are connecting it to O. So directly I am connecting it to O. That's all. So the problem is simple. Now I am finding the resistance across O and A. Okay. So the resistance across OA we want to find. So this is R by 2. R, everything is R. So this will be 2R. Sorry, 1 by 2R. R by 2. R by 2. This will be R by 2. And this will be R by 2. This is R. And this is R. Okay, you can understand this. And we can see between the points A and O. So R by 2. These two are in parallel. So 1 by R plus 2 by R. Okay, on adding this, we are getting 3 by R. So we are getting the value is 3 by R. So that is connected R by 2, 3 by R. R by 2, we can connect simply like this. Point O, point E, this is R. Okay, so 3 by R by 2. So they are also in parallel. So here, I think we want to connect it directly. R plus R by 2. Here I have done wrong. R plus this R plus this R by 2. Okay, 3R by 2. Sorry. 3R by 2 and that R by 2. So 2 by R reciprocal addition, because these two are in parallel. 2 by R plus 2 by 3R. So 3 on LCM, they are getting 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. 8 by 3R. Okay. So 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 by 3R. This combination is 8 by, that is 3R by 8. And this is in A. So A is in series. That is this A to B comma D, I think. These two are in series now. So this is R by 2. And this is O, this is A. 2 points. Okay. So this is R, I know. 3R by 8, R by 2. So this is 4 times. So it will be 7R by 8. So finally the answer will be across A and B. The resistance across AB is, so they are in parallel. So I want to write it as 1 by RAB, which is 8 by 7R, plus this is R, so 1 by R. How much I will get? So it will be 7. So 8 plus 7, 15, 15 by 7R. So the resistance across AB is 7R by 15. So this is the perfect answer. I think you have understood this problem. So this is a JEE advanced problem. So please try to solve more problems to get more marks in JEE physics and also for a NEET examination. We will see with a few more problems in the next session. Thank you.